Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Oloch is my name. The topic is this: can 1,000 shillings make you rich? Or rather, can saving 1,000 shillings every month make you rich? That is the topic. I'm borrowing the wisdom from the very rich book. The very rich book from Jacqueline Thompson. The very rich book. This is a story of super millionaires, America's super millionaires, how they got their money and how they spend it. When I read the story of super millionaires, one thing is true. Not all millionaires were born rich. There are some millionaires that were born very poor. But then what did they do? They decided to inculcate a culture of saving and investing. And they did this over a period of time. Saving, investing, saving, investing, saving, investing, saving, investing, and growing their money. Of course, you can invest in business, you can invest in farming, you can invest in real estate. There are many ways to invest. But in this channel, you can also invest in cryptocurrencies, you can invest in Forex. But in this channel, we are investing in the stock market. That is what we've been doing over the last 7 months. Investing in the stock market. Back to the topic, can 1,000 shillings make you rich? Can saving 1,000 shillings over 12 months, over 10 years, make you rich? The answer is yes. I've discovered 1,000 shillings every month for 10 years. If you are saving consistently and investing, buying shares, buying and selling shares, buying and selling shares, over 10 years and getting a return of about 40%, your 1,000 shillings times 12 months times 10 years becomes 1 million. After 10 years, at 40% return. Now, if you keep doing that for 20 years, the money becomes 10 million. 1,000 shillings goes up to 10 million at 40% return in 20 years. This tells you that if you are a young man and you start doing this, let's say you are 20, maybe you are in campus or you've just finished campus, let's say you are 24. You finished campus and you are in your first job, for example, and you just start saving 1,000 shillings. If you repeat this for 20 years, by the time you are 44, you will be having 10 million shillings in your account. Your children will be very comfortable. Your wife will be very happy. And you can live a comfortable life. It is possible for everyone to be rich. I am borrowing the wisdom of American super millionaires. How did they get rich? Some get rich through farming. Some get rich investing in the stock market. Some get rich in their businesses. People get rich through very many ways. There is no one single way of getting rich. There are ways of many, many ways. But the aim is keep the money moving, volatility of money. Buy this, sell. Buy this, sell, make profit. Buy this, sell, make profit. Buy this, sell, make profit. Keep compounding the money, keep growing the money, keep growing the business. That is how you get rich. Can 1,000 shillings make you rich? Yes, it can. The only thing you need to do is avoid loans. Loans and also bad debts and also fuliza and also mobile credit loans. These things will sink you. Avoid loans at all costs. The other thing you need to do, avoid credit card. Credit card, my friend, that thing is not good for you. It is a loan you will always be paying. Avoid credit card. If you have one, go throw it away. Are we together? Nanjaga. Aye. The other thing you need to do is be consistent. Be consistent. 20 years of consistency. 20 years marathon to be rich. To be 10 million shillings rich. Not many people are consistent. Not many people have the discipline. And so what happens? They will not do it. I have the discipline. I am doing it for the benefit of my children. Consistently saving for them so that by the time they are in college, by the time they are in university, money is not a problem. They have the money. Erokamano, uriti, bye-bye, au revoir. And before we go, subscribe to this channel. Click the red button here and give this video a thumbs up. And by the way, I have a Telegram channel where we are practicing these things every day, every month, every week. I want you to join it. Join our Telegram channel. On Telegram, if you go to Telegram, the link is below here. But alternatively, you can go to Telegram, search for Stock Market Investing 101. Stock Market Investing 101. Join it. You will be grateful you did. Bye.